guys, and today we are doing a giant toy review. We have a lot of toys here. So this is part 1 of the toy review. Let's start.
Where do you want to start?
Let's start with the ponies.
Okay.
So here is one pony. Her eyes look real. She has some makeup on, her hair is nice, and she has a little flower. Here is her baby. So they go together, and they have the same color hair. She has I think this is a diaper with stars. So, okay. What's next?
Let's do the Incredibles. Here is Mrs. Incredible. She has a motorcycle, and so look, you can make it go like this, and because her superpower is to move, stretch out. So she's stretched out, and you can easily just stretch her back.
Okay, so back here, let's do all of the ponies first. So here we have glittery Pinkie Pie, super glittery, in a helicopter. So this Pinkie Pie in the helicopter, but this is not the Pinkie Pie that belongs in the helicopter. So here's the Pinkie Pie that belongs in a helicopter. Here's some fashion clothes she has.
Fashionista and a pilot.
And so she can drive the helicopter. Okay, so next we have Applejack. But this Applejack is really, really cute. She has cute eyes. She has tail, which is yellow, hair, and then we have
Starlight Shimmer.
Okay, this is Starlight Shimmer. She also has a mane, but Starlight Shimmer does something different, which I can show you guys. Okay, so she walks when you tap her head, but she only walks really little. So you have to tap her head a lot if you want to make her walk. Okay.
So let's do all of the Incredibles. So this is Jack. And I don't really know what he does. Oh, so actually what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to spin him like this. Yeah, and put it on the floor, and he'll do that. Well, I just spin it the wrong way. So here is Dash. And yeah, he's just a figure. And here is Frozo. You can back him up, and he'll move. Okay. He's Mr. Incredible. He's just he's just a figure. Another one's just a figure. And here is Violet. She rolls like this, so you actually can do this. She wobbles. And then here is what's her name?
Edma, I think. Yeah.
Edda? Whatever. Comment down below if you know her name, because I forget. And she bobbles. Here her head, she bobbles. Bobble, 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 bobble. She's very serious, but she doesn't act like it.
Okay. And back over here, let's finish off the ponies. So we have Sweetie Belle.
It's Rarity's little sister, right?
Yeah. We have this action figure, Pinkie Pie, as a superhero. She's supposed to go really, really fast.
zooms.
And then we have this old My Little Pony. So this is the old Pinkie Pie. And you can tell this is the old one because if you look at the new Pinkie Pie, you see that her face is different. Okay? So we have Cheerilee.
Yeah, her name's Julie.
And her hair is two tones, so they're two different colors.
Sweetie Belle and her friend's teacher.
Okay. And her cutie mark is flowers. This is Twilight Sparkle, and if you leave her tail, if you leave her in the sun, the tail will change color. So what else do we have? We have Fluttershy, and so she's covered in flowers.
And butterflies.
Let's now review these two. So these two are Beanie Boos action figures. And so this has sparkly eyes. She's a kitten. And he has blue sparkly eyes. And he's a puppy.
Do you know what their names are?
I'm not sure. Guys, comment down below if you know what their names are.
I think this one's name is Duke, actually.
Okay. And now for the Care Bears.
It's a really old TV show.
Yeah.
No shit.
I forgot their names. But this is the grumpy one.
Yeah, that's Grumpy. I know his name is Grumpy.
This is the rainbow one, the lollipop one, the sweet one.
Oh, there's the heart one.
Yeah, here is the heart one.
And the blue one, the sky is by Fluttershy.
Here is the green one. Here's the, I think this is the lucky one. He has a 4-leaf
Yeah,
clover.
his name might be Lucky.
Yeah.
Comment down below if you know it.
Yeah, comment down below if you know their names. So that's all the Care Bears.
Okay, so what should I do next? I'm gonna do some minions. Minions! Okay, so this is a minion, and he's supposed to shoot this dart thing out. Let's try to get out of my hand. Okay. Well, we're not gonna do that right now. This
If you want
is.
him to shoot, you have to push. If you want him to shoot, you have to push the shooter inside. Then you go. Whee!
Well, that's out of here. Okay, so this is a music minion, and you just move his hands. Oh, and you push him down, and look, his hands move also. And so here is a rocket minion. It rolls. So roll him back.
Okay, so here is a jail minion. He has a little tattoo or something, and he looks angry, so he's working out.
To break the wall so he can escape jail.
And to make his arms move, there's a little button you push, and he can do some exercises. Ooh, ooh, ah, ooh.
This one just came out of the shower, and so this one, oh my gosh, this one I think it's supposed to make noise.
Okay.
Maybe he's not making noise right now.
Why don't we move on to the Marios? So we have Princess Peach here, and when you move her, she moves. It's like she's waving and
Oh, and
twirling.
look, if you like move her in this distance, like see here, it's coined, and then here, no coins. I don't think you guys can see it, but it changes.
Yeah,
you guys
it
might be able to
changes.
see that.
Anyways, let's go to Mario and Luigi. So
Luigi.
here's Mario.
Mario.
Let's see if he works. Okay, this Mario is not working. Then we have Luigi over here. And he looks like he's trying to toss something. And so we have the same Mario here. And then we have this Mario, which is a game actually. So you push down on it and you try to get all 3. Oh, I got all 3 coins. I'm a winner. Yay. See if I can get it again. Oh, all 3 stars. So that game is pretty cool. So let's go on to
What are their
mushroom.
names?
I don't know. I
I
forgot
think
what
I
these
might
are.
know what this name is. This, I'm trying to read, trying to cheat. I don't know what this name is.
I don't know what his is, but his
This is
cute.
Nintendo on the bottom. I have no idea what his name
We
is.
have like 4 of these guys.
And we have 2 of these turtles.
Let's move on to the Avengers.
Avengers.
Well, these are not Avengers, so let's say all superheroes. Except Tom, you're not a superhero.
Get out of here, Tom.
You can stay. Okay, so here are our superheroes. So we have Cyborg. Oh my goodness!
Oh my gosh, Cyborg!
I did not expect that. You can pop his head off just like so.
Oh my gosh, his head.
We have Beast Boy.
Post it.
There's Beast Boy.
Get out with this.
Cyborg and Beast Boy are like best friends.
They
And
love
then-
pizza.
This is a robot Spider-Man.
Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse.
Yeah.
I really don't want to.
Oh, they're all connected. Wow. So this first one right here,
But that's
is- I think this one's Ultron.
No, I thought that was like something. Iron
Is this any
Machine.
names? Oh yeah, this might be the Iron Machine or Ultron. Well, actually, Ultron looks way different. This is the Iron Machine. This is Black Widow, but this is a special Black Widow, guys.
Gold on the bottom, and
So
they glow.
when they're gold on the bottom, that means they glow. So let me show you guys how they glow. Is it glowing? Oh, glow! See that again? Whoa! Whoa!
Looks like Iron Man glows too.
Yeah, Iron Man will glow. Oh, gotta turn it on for us. Whoa! Whoa! You can have a disco party. Ah! Glow, 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 glow.
Like if the power actually goes down.
So we have Hulk.
Hulk
smash. Yeah, Hulk is really strong. Hulk
You can smash
smash.
people.
And so Hulk goes like this. Smash, smash, smash.
That's a normal Black Widow.
This is a normal Black Widow.
She looks for a spy agency.
Yeah, I think she works for Avengers. And so
The
she
Avengers
can
spy
twist
agency.
her little ninja weapon. And then we have Thor
Doors.
and his hammer.
That always comes back to him.
Okay, let's move on.
Hello Kitties. Okay.
Hello, Kitty.
This is snowboarding Hello Kitty. She bobbles. Bobble, bobble, bobble. Bobble!
Here we have teacher Hello Kitty, and she moves her hands saying hi to the students.
Here we have Baking Hello Kitty, and she's actually a coin. So it's a piggy bank. You can put your coins in here and look. Open it, it'll come out. For some reason, it smells really good. I don't know why.
Actually, she is not a piggy bank.
She isn't?
She came with stickers, and stickers would come out. This is too small for coins, but that would be a cool idea.
Maybe
So
if we fit pennies only or dime.
here's a bubbly. She moves like a bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. And now we have Melody, Hello Kitty's friend.
Oh, here's Melody's house.
So yeah, Melody comes with a house. Let's get her inside.
Yes, I'll get Melody in the house.
Oh.
Come on, Melody.
There we go, she's inside.
Yeah.
Okay, and so here's artist Hello Kitty, and she winks. And so let's do, oh, Hello Kitty's other friend.
Pochco.
And now let's do these from Wreck-It Ralph Breaks the Internet. We have the star of the internet over here in her car. And this is how they move you in the back. And she she moves forward. Here is Fix-It Felix. And he fixes everything. And then here is Penelope. And here is Penelope again. And then this is the bad guy from Minions who wants to steal the diamonds. And he has some really cool hair. Oh yeah, he likes to dance. Yeah.
Okay, so next one we should do is...
Okay guys, so that's enough. So that's all the toys. Okay guys, so before we end this video, let's do the trains.
Yeah, there are a bunch of trains. A bunch. There's Barbie, there's Rainbow Dust.
So here is Transformers train. Up and down. Minions. And so the picture changes when it moves. Here we have more minions, but there's this like a seesaw. Seesaw. We have a dinosaur over here, and when he moves around.
Now for some food.
We have a Rainbow Dash. She moves side to side. We have Mr. Moon from Sing. And he moves side to side. We have Barbie.
She can move from one picture to the other.
Yeah. And then she also has the side where she's like at another Halloween party. We have this Hot Wheels one where the car moves. Whoa.
She looks like a... Then we have the front of the train.
Yeah, and our last toys here we have the Smurfs. So let's see what Smurf is in this house. Knock knock. Are you in there? So open it up.
I'm gonna do this one.
And so this Smurf looks like he's a very strong Smurf. Okay.
And here is the last one. Well, here's the leader, Papa Smurf. And here's Papa Smurf. Hello guys, I'm Papa Smurf. That is not what he sounds like, no.
Here's another Smurf house. And let's open it up. Oh, this is not a Smurf. This is a bunny.
Bunny invasion.
What are you doing in the Smurf house?
Get out of here. No, maybe he lives there.
In a Smurf house?
Bunny invasion.
Maybe it's someone's pet. They'll keep it in there.
Okay, let's see this one. I'm hearing a lot of noises. I wonder. Oh, I don't know what the Smurf's name is. Smurfette. Yeah. Go on.
Okay, let's open the Smurf house. Oh, this is an artist Smurf. Wow.
Pink.
Pink.
Okay, let's see what's
Bye-bye.
in this Smurf house. The last one. Oh my gosh. Another artist one. Good thing the bunny didn't invade his house.
And actually, that's not the last Smurf.
Oh,
This is the last Smurf.
bunny
And it's
invasion.
another bunny.
Bunny invasion.
Wonder how many bunnies there are.
This will be the bunny song. Bunny,
That's
bunny.
all of the Smurfs. Now, guys, we have one last toy. We have these two Hot Wheels. This is for Halloween, which is perfect. And then this is a shark, and he can move. And then we have
Shape-shifting.
Lion King.
In
Rawr.
the jungle, a mighty jungle.
Well, guys, that's all of the toys we have for this epic toy review. Well, bye. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe. Comment down below which are the names of the toys that we asked you. Oh, Yoshi. Bye.